Hello friends, the curve is given to us y equals to x square and y equals to 2x plus 3. Normally y equals to x square is a parabola. So we'll be drawing that parabola, and we know the parabola is normally, this is y equals to x square parabola is normally like this. Then straight line, second is y equals to 2x plus 3, that gives us one straight line. Over here we got the 2 points of intersection. Say this is point 1, this is point 2. Say this is point A, this is point B. Now if you are observing the area between A and B, the A to B area is varying. So what I am doing, I am considering vertical strip like this, a small strip. This is my small strip, hash line I am making out over there. Now that strip is having parallel to y-axis. We had select a small strip that is parallel to y-axis. So the strip is vertical. So its limits, okay, whenever it is parallel to y-axis, that is varying from x A point to B points. So we know the x limits are over there. X limits are fixed now. This is x limit minimum. This is x limit maximum. This point the strip may vary up to this point to this point. So x limits are constant, that is from A point to B point. Whenever strip is parallel to y-axis, limits are constant for x. That is, x will be minimum at A and x will be minimum at B. But for y-axis, what you have to do? You have to go for y-axis, you have to go for the equations. What are the equations? See the lower point of the strip. This is lower point of the strip, and it is touching to, okay, the lower point or lower limit for y lower limit, that strip is touching to this curve parabola, and that is y equals to x square, and upper is touching to this line, so that is y equals to 2x plus 3. So y limits are going to be from y equals to x square to y equals to 2x plus 3. Here we get the upper limit, here we get the lower limit. So this is y equals to x square is this lower limit, and y equals to 2x plus 3 is this upper limit. So this y is spaced, or y is situated in between these two curves, not for the x. X is having standard limits A and B. This is one theory. Now we should know that. Now if we know all these things, now we are going for finding out the point A and point B. What is given to us? Y equals to x square. And second equation, y equals to 2x plus 3. I am substituting this x square value in this y. Because at intersection, point A and point B, these are called as intersection. At intersection, you are getting both points simultaneously. Both points, both curves are satisfying the equations at point A and at point B. So you can use or you can substitute point at intersection. So at intersection, meaning at crossing, whenever those two curves are crossing to each other, both equations are satisfied by this point and by this point B. So I can substitute anywhere. So x square put into y. So x square equals to 2x plus 3. Take it on this side. So it gives me x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Now this became my quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now compare it. It is 1x square actually. So if comparing a equals to 1, then we got b equals to minus 2. Then we got c equals to minus 3. These are the values over there. This is value of A, this is value of B, this is value of C. Now we know quadratic roots, x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b, this is b value is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 plus or minus root of b square, again b is minus 2 and its square. So that is minus 2 square is 4, minus 4, a into c, a is 1, c is minus 3. This is a and this is c. A is 1 and c is minus 3. Whole divided by 2 into again a is again 1. This minus into minus gives me plus 2, plus or minus under root of this 4 it is there, then minus into minus is plus, then this gives me 12. Okay, 4 into 3 is 12 divided by 2, so it gives me 2 plus or minus root of 16 divided by 2 plus or minus 4 divided by 2. So one time it is very simple, one time it is 2 plus 4 divided by 2 and second time it is 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So one time it is 6 divided by 2, that is 3. This is 6 divided by 2 and second time it is minus 2 divided by 2, so that is minus 1. So I got the 2 points. So 1 over here, x value will be minimum, that is minus 1, this value. At second point x value will be this maximum 3. So at B point x value is 3, we got now this value. And at point A we got minus 1. So at A x equals to minus 1. At B we got x equals to that second value, that is how much? 3. So these are two limits. We decided the limits of x, lower limit as well as upper limit. Now we are substituting these limits, we are using these limits and calculating y if we require that y. Otherwise we are first calculating, we are going for the y terms. Okay, now go for it. See, what was our curve? Y equals to x square and y equals to 2x plus 3. We had already calculated the limits of y. Lower limit is y equals to x square and y equals to 2x plus 3. Now for area, we want the area of curve. Area between two curves will be equals to integration, one limit is for x, one limit is for y, into dx into what? dy. Now just remember or just recall that what we had done. Okay, see, we are having these limits over also there, y equals to x square, y equals to 2x plus 3, dx and dy, it was also over there. Okay, now first we will be calculating the integration for dy, because y will be converted, y limits, where we know that y limits is, that is y limit is from x square to 2x plus 3, so y will be converted into x, so we will be first substituting for y only. So integration of dy is y, okay, and what is remaining? Dx. And limits for y, we had calculated that previously, y equals to x square up to y equals to what? 2x plus 3. These two are over there. Now we will be substituting that will be upper limit 2x plus 3 minus lower limit minus x square into what? Dx. Now x limits are, x we know already, we had calculated that x limits also from a to b, x limits are from, okay, and that is what? minus 1 to 3. So x equals to minus 1 to x equals to 3. We will be calculating integration with respect to dx of this value. The 2 is as constant, x integration is x square divided by 2, okay, then plus 3 constant, integration of that will be x, 1 is there, minus x cube divided by 3. Limits are from minus 1 to 3. Now we are going to substitute that limits over there. Okay, so what will be happening? This 2 will get cancelled. Upper limit, the upper limit is 3 square plus 3 into upper limit is this 3 minus 3 cube divided by 3 minus lower limit, this minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1 cube divided by 3. So 3 square is 9 plus 9 minus, okay, this is actually 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 3. Again it is 9 minus 9 minus of minus any minus 1 square is again 1 plus into this is minus 3 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1 cube is minus 1 and this minus 1 cube is minus 1 and this minus plus 1 by 3. Now this 9 got cancelled. We got 9 minus this will be 3 1 and minus 3 is minus 2 plus 1 by 3. 9 minus into minus plus 2 minus into plus is minus, okay, 1 by 3. So this is 11 minus 1 by 3. Get it, cross multiplication. 33 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, cross multiplication. So it is 32 divided by 3. So we got the answer 32 divided by 3 square units. It was very easy example, and how to remember that? Just simplified form where set out the limits for a and b for x whenever considering strip parallel to y-axis. Constant limits are for x and y limits are lower to upper. Okay, thank you.